If you study wealthy people long enough, you'll notice a powerful pattern. They never rely on one income source. A job is one income. A business is one income. A freelance service is one income. But wealth is built when your money flows from many directions. Multiple streams of income protect you, empower you, and accelerate your financial freedom. Why one income stream is risky? Most people think having one stable job is safe. In reality, it is the most dangerous financial position because one change can collapse everything. One layoff, one company restructuring, one economic downturn, one health issue, one market shift. When you rely on one income, you rely on one point of failure. Wealthy people remove that vulnerability by building income diversity. The three types of income streams there are three categories of income you must understand. 1. Earned income, active work. This is trading your time for money. Examples: job, freelancing, consulting, coaching, contract work. Earned income is great for immediate cash flow, but it has limits: your time. 2. Business income, leveraged work. Here you use systems, teams, and technology to scale. Examples: online businesses, agencies, e-commerce, social media content, startups. Business income is scalable and can multiply over time. 3. Passive income, money that works for you. This is the holy grail of wealth. Examples: investments, rental property, royalties, digital products, licensing, dividend stocks. Passive income is slow to build, but once established, it becomes the engine of long-term wealth. The wealth formula: 1 to 2 to 5. Most people try to create multiple income streams too quickly. That leads to chaos and failure. The wealthy follow this formula. Step 1. Master one income stream first. Become excellent at one skill, one business, or one cash source. Step 2. Scale it. Raise your prices, improve your skills, automate processes, or hire help. Step 3. Expand to your next income stream. Use your first income to fund the second, then the second to fund the third, until you have 5 or more streams supporting your life. This is how financial stability becomes financial freedom. The trap: too many streams, too early. People often say, "I want 7 streams of income," but they forget something important. Those 7 streams came after years of discipline and mastery. Start with 1, grow it, then build the next. 1 strong stream is worth more than 10 weak ones. You don't need to be a genius. You need a system. Creating multiple income sources is not about talent. It's about planning. You can start with freelancing plus a digital product, job plus investing, business plus YouTube content, real estate plus online brand, skill-based service plus e-commerce. Each pillar strengthens your financial life. Money freedom isn't wealthy. It's stable. You don't need millions to feel wealthy. You need stability. Imagine having a main income from your business, a consistent side income, a passive stream from investments, a small royalty from digital products, some rental income. Even if each stream is modest, together they create power. You sleep better. You think clearer. You make decisions from strength, not fear. You give your family security. You create a life where money supports you instead of controlling you. This is true freedom.